Hey everybody, it's your favorite guy in the hoodie, Jay Knows Credit, back with another video. I just want to give y'all an update on the credit sweep, and for those of y'all who are new to my channel, break down the credit sweep process. Now, what a credit sweep is, it's a way to get rid of all of your negative or positive debt, if you would like that, in a fast amount of time. Our process is 45 business days. Okay, the way this is different than traditional credit repair is that traditional credit repair could take, months, sometimes years. In my case, usually months. For traditional repair, I do have that service available, but that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about the credit sweep process and the update on the service. Now, in my previous video that I have on the credit sweep, I have everyone signing up for the Equifax service. I put in the details in the comments that no longer is the service working as well with Equifax, so we had to switch over to Experian, which has been working consistently, where we've not had any problems whatsoever or any delays or resubmissions to get all the negative items removed from the credit report. Okay, so everyone needs to sign up for Experian. It's not a conversation of, yo, I have Privacy Guard or I have my FICO. Can I send you that login? No, you have to 100% sign up for Experian. If there is a monthly fee at the time you're signing up for Experian, you have to, keep up with that. So if that's $19.95 or $14.95, not sure what it is right now at this present time or when you're watching this video, but you have to maintain that over that 45 business day period. Okay, so keep that in mind as an expense that you'll have that's going to Experian. All right, you also have to fill out our JOT form. We're going to have a JOT form for you. It's going to be in the description of this video. You can just go there, click it. It'll be hyperlinked. And you can go there, fill out that JOT form, and you have to upload your documents from that JOT form. You're also going to list your method of payment, how you want to pay for your services, as well as you can also list details. So if you tell me that you want all the negative items deleted off your credit, I'm going to give you a price point based on all the negative items. If you put there that you're not sure about what you want, or if you say that you want some items that are not negative removed from your credit, you need to list those and describe those so that we can know exactly what you want removed. And the same thing goes for my inquiry services as well. If you ever watched my inquiry bomb service, if you need inquiry removal, you'll see that as well. You need to list, if you don't want all of them things removed, you want to detail exactly what you want removed, so there's no confusion back and forth and there's no delays on submitting your profile. All right. Now, if you select the payment method I have, which is an ACH payment, once you select that payment method, you have to sign a contract. I'm going to send you a contract you have to fill out. All you have to do is just, read over it, sign it, date it, print your name. And then once that is received and your payment is made, of course, we're going to wait about 3 business days before we submit your profile. Now, the reason for that is because you're going to have 3 business days to cancel. I'm sorry, not 3 business days. My apologies. 3 days. You have 3 days to cancel your service for a full refund. Maybe you have buyer's remorse. Maybe, you had a bill pop up or, anything like that. But it has to be after those 3 days are up. Once those 3 days are up, there are no refunds on that payment. We've got to go ahead and submit your file. So if you are doing the ACH payment, just know that there will be a 3-day delay in order to for you to cover that particular process of time. Now, there's going to be a 3-day delay for every process, whether you're paying through Zelle or you're paying through bank deposit, wherever you choose to pay. There will be that same process because everybody will be signing a contract in order for them to get the credit sweep process. All right. So I just want to give everybody that update. If you want to get started, I have my 1-800 number here, 1-8333 J knows, which is 1-833-556697. You can also sign up or get more information by sending us an email at inquiry, INQUIRY, at JAY knows, KNOWS, credit, CREDIT.com. So if you have any additional questions, you can also text us as well, that same 1-800 number. If you're not a very talkative person, I know I have a lot of introverts out there who just like to text. So you definitely can text, get all your questions answered. And you can also sign up through just text messages as well. We'll send you the links right there through text. You can click on it right from your phone and get started. You don't have to have a computer to do any of the processes. To sign a documentation, you can sign documentation right from your phone. So we make it very, very easy for everybody to get what they need to get. All right. So just want to give you all that update. If you have any questions, you can put questions here in the comments. You can also contact us for more information about our services. All right. Like I said, it does take 45 business days in order for the process to happen. A lot of times it does happen before that, but please keep in mind that you are waiting that full 45 business days. Now, as far as the pricing is concerned, pricing is based on the total number of accounts that you have, also the type of accounts there are, and the total amount of debt you want to get removed. So everybody's prices will not be the same because that's what it's based on. So if you have some of the high ticket items like bankruptcies, repossessions, student loans, tax liens, child support, those big ticket items like that, those are going to be extra costs. It's going to cost you extra money to get those removed. So just keep that in mind. All right. But thank you all for watching this video. This is your guy, Jay Knows Credit, for every guy in the hoodie. Hopefully you all get started. If you have any questions, like I said, just let us know. Y'all be blessed. God bless you. God bless your finances. Have a great day.